scares the fish away. If you have any lighter toys, turn those off as well. We'll get going in just a few moments. We're waiting on the rest of our fleet to finish loading their guests, and we'll be sure to set sail. Thank you so much, and enjoy your submarine voyage.
All ahead, 1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
Stand by to dive.
Diving stations.
Pressure in the boat.
Press air readings are normal.
Flood the main ballast tanks.
Flooding main tanks.
Let's take it down.
Mounting auxiliaries.
Dive. Take it down easy.
Now loading planes. 3 degrees down.
Catcher at 10 fathoms. Steer 30 degrees.
Line runner, 30 degrees.
All ahead, 4. Steady as she goes. G'day. This is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Line runner, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the Lost City.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor, hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right runner, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to your start.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface strip ahead, sir.
No worries. You'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level off the whole 80 fathoms.
85 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
Fish water has always been considered a silent habitat. Now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you, son? Too deep for you. Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. Climb aboard explorers. It's time to go.
What if Nemo's swimming out that sea?
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes on the warp along the way.
Captain, we're approaching the ice.
Hold her steady, take her into the car. All ahead standard.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Vinnie Marlin. This is fun. am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help.
It's Nemo.
Where?
No way. That's what we're trying to find.
Why who?
My son Nemo. Oh, that. We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
See who?
Remember the pledge!
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You will want one of these.
Secure all stations. System check.
Hold steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full. Hey, Squirt. What are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race it there. Okay, go.
Wait,
What?
pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting
Something touched me!
It's me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anything. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
What's that?
Me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink. I don't know.
It's jellyfish.
Good. And I'm thinking,
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
all right, Mr. Smarty Pants. Going.
Stop playing games.
Come on, it's fun. Boing.
No, Dory.
Boing.
We're invited to a party. Let's go.
I love parties. I got the hot tub.
It's not about finding the hot tub. It's about finding Nemo.
Right behind you.
I found you. I was so worried.
About what?
Hey, you guys notice the alarm volcano?
Say something.
Can we?
Fish can fly.
I'm not Timo.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Hey, Nemo! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Surf the volcano!
Give us some fed. Log it.
Why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale!
Does it smell kind of English to you? Is it beef? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight, I'm gonna Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Look, a big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Why? Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do you do? Swim, swim, swim.
Crikey.
Shall I answer any of this on the road?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody will believe it anyway. We better take her up before we ever run into a sea serpent or encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us. Have a top